What's up, family? I've been gone for a little while. I don't want to talk your heads off really quick. I just want to get to the point, and I got a surprise for you guys that is going to be coming soon that I'm going to talk about really quick. But let me just show you something really fast. Let me open up my app here. Hold up. Okay, now, as you guys can see, that's $1,000 in 7 days, okay? What I want to talk about really quick is, and I want to show you, I got some cash here. This is only 900 of the 1,000. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and some change because I already spent 100. I spent some money today. But guys, what I want to talk about is basically what I want to talk about is that is pretty much, that's like one of my last big payouts, because I haven't sent anything in since the last video you guys seen me showing you some products, and it wasn't even that many. So my retail arbitrage portion of Amazon selling is kind of dying down because I haven't sent anything in. I've been shopping. I have some products that I found, but I haven't sent them in yet. So yeah, this is pretty much the last big payout I'm going to be receiving until I send stuff in. And I did that for several reasons. I want to show you guys that I can do it again from scratch. Show you guys, like, look, I'm going to let just what I've sent in just go with the flow, go. I've been buying things, though. Like, if I see stuff in the store that is just too good to be true, I can't pass those up, but I haven't sent them in yet. I want my account kind of to get to as close to zero as possible, and then I'm going to send the products in and show you guys, like, that I'm making this money, like that it's, you know, that it's happening like this. So yeah, so I took this out the bank. This is, they're gonna send in $1,005 to my account. So I just took out 1,000 just to show you guys, you know, just for, I don't know, just people like seeing money. So I took out 1,000. You know, guys, this is crazy, because another thing I wanted to let you guys know and talk about is you do not want to let retail arbitrage be your end all be all. Like I've said this before, I've said this plenty of times, guys. Don't let retail arbitrage be your end all be all. Get into private label, get into Shopify, even get into wholesaling, get into creating your own listings as a retail arbitrage seller as well. Bundling, right? Take an item you found from Walmart and an item you found for Target, and you put them together and you create a retail arbitrage listing that you are in control of. Now, you will have to spend money on PPC and things like that just to get it ranked so it starts to sell. You may or may not. Most likely you will, because how is anyone going to find your product? But you create your listings. Like, go a step above retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage is the beginning, and I've been showing that because a lot of people really don't know about Amazon still. I mean, everyone knows like what Amazon is. You can buy on Amazon, but not a lot of people know that you can make a ton of money selling on Amazon. So I've been showing retail arbitrage as the first step. Like, this is the first step everyone should take. Now, sometimes, like, and for some people, like, they always, I get a lot of people that say, oh, I can't find anything, it's restricted, a lot of stuff. You will find a lot of restricted items. You will. I mean, Amazon is pretty much putting tons of companies out of business. So a lot of companies are closing down and discreetly selling on Amazon themselves, like as manufacturers, and they're just gonna sell their products through Amazon now. So instead of having to fight with millions or hundreds of thousands of other people buying and reselling their products, now you're gonna have to need to go through the manufacturer to get permission to sell certain products. So it's kind of cracking down, but there's still tons of products. I haven't even reached out to get anything ungated yet, and I still make this type of money. Okay, guys, I haven't got any category ungated for me. Nothing. You guys see me make $1,000. I just showed you $1,000. Okay, guys, in 7 days. So over 1,000, and I've made way more than that. So doing retail arbitrage. So, and the only trick that I use is that I keep the fire burning, guys. Now, you can get burnt out, but I keep the fire. I kept the fire burning for a long time, and I'm not gonna lie to you. At this point in time now, me for retail arbitrage is like, now I need to step it up higher. So I've been focusing more on like, I'm looking for a new private label product again. I started a Shopify store. I started some affiliate marketing websites. Like, you know, I'm taking it a step higher with the money I'm making, but I'm not stopping retail arbitrage because it does fund everything else. Like, and my other businesses do fund what I want to do now as well. So, but retail arbitrage is a good way to keep the fire, keep the momentum. You don't want to lose momentum, guys. You don't want to lose momentum. So, but you do want to go higher and progress in Amazon selling, or selling e-commerce in general. Now, okay, now I got that little lecture out the way. Don't want to talk you guys' ears off, but what y'all been up to? And listen, guys. I apologize. Oh my god, I'm so bad at replying to comments. I'm so bad. I've been so bad lately. I know. I'm so sorry, guys. Please. I love you guys. No, everything I love. I'm not even you guys can feel like the realness coming out of me. I know you guys can feel it and see it. So, like, just to be honest with you guys, like, my baby and just focusing on all the businesses and things like that, it's just, I legit haven't had time to just reply to everybody, and I'm still gonna do that. Like, I'm still gonna go through and reply and try to help everybody out as much as I can. But that brings me to my next point, guys. I am about to do something massive. Okay, I have bought courses in the past. I've bought several courses. I'm not even gonna talk about, because I don't want to promote other people's courses. All I can tell you is, and I can get affiliate commissions for promoting a lot of the courses I've took, but I'm not trying to do that right now. Honestly, what I'm trying to show you guys is, or tell you guys, is that I've took a lot of courses, and everything I've learned from the courses, I'm going to be putting in a private group. And I'm going to make videos of basically everything I've learned step by step for private label, step by step for affiliate marketing, step by step for Shopify. I'm putting everything that I've learned in courses that I spent thousands of dollars on into a private Facebook group, guys. Or Facebook group, or some type of group. It may be on Facebook, it may not. But I'm going to create it, and I'm going to put everything in a course for you guys. And then get this. Here's another cool twist. The cool twist is, for those of you who are in the group, you're going to be able to make money just from being inside the group. I'm not going to tell you how. Just from being involved and being in part of the family and being inside the group, you will be able to make some money. I almost said something. I don't even want to tell you guys. I'm so psyched. No one's done this in this field of selling on Amazon, Shopify, e-commerce in general. No one's doing what I'm about to do for you guys. No one's done it. Like, and I'm trying to do it perfectly. It's just been an idea. I wrote the idea down the other night, and I have to work on it. It's gonna take me a couple weeks to get it up and running, guys, but the group is going to be a set, and you guys are going to get valuable content. And I want it to be a group where everyone helps everyone, not just me, but you guys will have direct contact to me. People that's in a private group will be able to text me even. You know, I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna let my phone be able to just because it's gonna get crazy. It's gonna get crazy, guys. Oh my goodness. But it's gonna take everybody up to the next level. Alright, but yeah, my wife is waiting for me. We're about to go. You guys seen it. Just want to show you some motivation, make some money, you know. Anyways, I love you guys. Peace and love. If you're a part of the family, smack the subscription and hit the bell. You guys already know. And like I said, I'm sorry if I haven't answered your questions. I'm gonna get to you as soon as possible, family. Alright? Now, I know this wasn't like the typical videos I shoot, but I hope you got something out of this video. I hope you're still here with me, and I hope you subscribe and be a part of the team, because we got the strongest team on FB. FB. Rewind. We got the strongest team on YouTube. Let's go, family. Rewind again. We got the strongest family on YouTube. Let's go. I'm out, guys. Peace.